She was trying to date me before she married Jim. No, I'm joking.
I essentially harassed her on Twitter until she responded to me and just basically said, hello, hi, did you see my tweet? I tweeted you, did you see it? Did you see it? Are you sure you didn't not see it? And then you want to, I'm here.
So I first met Caroline when she was doing her research into her big vitamin A guide, and I sent her like the War and Peace version of vitamin A.
We met many years ago in my office. She was at the beginning of her blogging career, and then we did many interviews together.
In truth, we've met through industry events, through press events, and a number of other fantastic times during our careers. I guess we're sort of part of the furniture.
She was on a business trip to LA, staying at the W in Beverly Hills, and invited me to have lunch with her. It was a really fun, unforgettable afternoon that went on for hours and hours and hours, and I was so nervous to meet her, and it was so much fun.
I imagine I stalk Caroline. I think Caroline's been stalked by everybody.
I met Caroline almost 20 years ago at Harvey Nichols, and we had a lot of fun back in the day. She's still a crease, and I'm just really proud to count her as a friend.
Caroline and I met at a wonderful restaurant in London, and Caroline is obviously, she's a bundle of energy, and she's a force to be reckoned with, and I was in awe and inspired, and she's become a great friend.
I met Caroline for a proper English tea in South Kensington, and we quickly discovered that we had both been married for like 25 plus years. We both have 4 kids, we both have our pets, and we're both major beauty bosses. It was awesome.